Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 19th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the Kiwi dollar and really all the dollar pairs, I think there's a very good likelihood we have the end of a pullback. I think this right here is an A, this is a wave B, and this is a wave C. I think this nice impulsive up and breaker structure helps prove that the pullback is over, the end of an ABC pullback. I think there's a good likelihood this is a wave one, this is a wave two, and I think it's going to end up going up for a wave three. If that is true, then no more than likely it will go up and make new highs on this time frame. And if you've been seeing my full top-down analysis, you know that I am believe that this is in a big, big, big uptrend on the very high time frames with lots and lots of upside potential. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, there is definitely a chance that it tries to push down one more time. But looking at all the other dollar pairs for correlation, I think there's a better likelihood that we are now already in a series of higher highs, higher lows. We had a nice impulsive up breaker structure, should be a wave one. Impulsive down should be A. Three waves up should be B. Impulsive down, it is a higher low, but that's fine. Wave C, 78%, definitely held pretty nicely. And that should be the completion of a wave two, and we should be now in a wave three, which is great news for us because we can try to get long at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of this wave three. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.